Hello YouTube, welcome to Adventure with Woody. New channel, taking the place of Chronicles of Dot. And said I wasn't going to do it, but I thought, no, I'll give it a go. If I don't like it, I can always stop again. Because it gives me something to do. So, a 5-minute vlog. And the first one I want to do is the bikes. I've spent a couple of days in here now, tidying up, getting the bikes sorted for winter storage and giving them a good clean. And this year, for a change, I've not, because both bikes are new, the monkey bikes never had an ACF 50 treatment, and for that matter neither has the new CL 500. I thought I'm going to try something different. I've no plan to ride them in winter time. I'm going to keep them just for the season. So of course that'll limit the amount of these I can do, but this one I can do. And it was the after cleaning thing, and I'll show you what I've done. So the CL first, because it's satin finished, I have to use, that's the shampoo. And that's the detailer. We've now been joined by my assistant. Hello, Days. And cleaned the bike within an inch of its life. This was washed twice. The bottom half was done with Demon foam, you know, snow foam. But I don't get it on any of these satin finished pieces. And then I wash all the rest of it with a bucket and a sponge to do the satin work. And then when it was being finished, air dried, leave it overnight basically, air dried. And what I do is, I don't know where it's gone, I have stand up, I have that, and I just blow warm air across them with that. Okay, so then we get to this really, sorry Daisy, I didn't mean to fall over you. It gets this nice clean finish. Likewise with the monkey bike, same thing. This is done with the Demon foam shampoo, snow foam, because it's conventional, you know, glossy paint. So gets that finished, and then that one, I finish it. I use Pledge furniture polish, and it brings it up beautifully. And then just to give it a little bit of a seal, we use that one, is it? Yeah, there it is, Demon Shine. Spray on shine, just a little bit, not a lot, on the cloth. And then the final part of the job is I've actually wiped the frames down on both bikes with GT85. I use GT85 because unlike ACF 50, it washes off. What I found with the ACF 50, it's good, it's not two ways about it, it is good, but it collects dust and you get this, like, you know, like the kind of clag you get from your chain oil. If you leave it long enough, it builds up. And I wanted it so that it, you know, when it's clean and it's been done with the, you see the GT85 or WD, it doesn't really matter for WD. It just helps protect it. It's water repellent, because it can get a bit damp in here. And the final thing I do is put these tartan blankets on the bikes, just mainly as dust protection. Obviously they're both locked up and they're on Optimates, and I leave them on all the time, and it's never ever caused me a problem in, well, I've been using Optimates since 2014 and they've always worked well. I've even got a lithium one which was bought for the Africa Twin, and never had any problems with them. So that's the bikes tucked away for the winter. As I say, As you can see, it's a blustery all day. So, see how long this video lasts. You'll have to excuse me, I'm a bit all over the place at the moment. I said I wasn't going to do this, but then this morning I thought, well, give it a go. Vlogging with an iPhone, we're not using drift cameras anymore, and see what we can produce. So all that's left to say is I hope you all have Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye for now.